Hey guys, so recently I made this Easter basket for the baby alives, and it is pretty cool, I think. So I thought maybe you guys would want to know how to make this, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. So for this DIY, you're going to be needing paper, and do not worry if it's not pre-cut. You can just cut it to size it how you want it. You'll also be needing scissors to cut the paper. You'll be needing tape. Glue might work better, but we don't have glue, so I'm going to show you how to do it with tape. And you're also going to need markers or something to design your paper. First, you gotta fold the long side of the paper, and I'll show you what I mean. So a few things. You only need to fold it about that much. Don't fold it too much more than this. Also, it doesn't matter if you have these circles in your paper or not, because I'm actually covering those up. You're not supposed to have those. And also try to make it as equal as a fold as you can. So now I'm going to do that with one more piece of paper. Okay, so now you're going to lay down a piece of paper, and this is going to be your base. Then you're going to get a little bit of tape, and to make it double-sided tape, you're going to put it on the folded part, and you're just going to tape it down like that. Now I'm going to do it with this piece. Okay, so now for the next step. Try to figure out how to size your paper to the height of this. So I figured out how to equally size my paper to the height of this side, and now I'm going to cut it. And once again, you're going to fold a little bit of your paper, and you're going to tape just like how you did with the other sides. And now you're going to tape all the corners together just like that. So continue to do that on every area that's open like that. Once you've done that, the last step is to cut a straight line. Okay, so I guess it doesn't have to be super straight because my line wasn't that straight, but you just need to cut a somewhat straight line. And you just want to tape it over the top so it can be a handle. And now you get to use your markers or pencil crayons, whatever you chose, and design it any way you want. So there you have it, guys, how to make a quick, easy baby doll Easter basket. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you feel like it, and click the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching.